Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Oking Military Room's channel. On this occasion Mr. Oking will thoroughly explore the facts about the Russian military. Speaking of the strongest military, of course we will immediately think of the name of America. There is nothing wrong with that, considering that this land of Uncle Sam is indeed ranked first in the world in military terms. However, despite having prestige and rank, but his country Trump is not absolutely superior. Yes, the reason is none other than because there is one other country that is said to also have fierce military power. Of course we already know who the country in question is. Yes, he is Russia, the winner of World War II. Military matters, it cannot be denied that Russia is truly extraordinary. In each of its lines, Russia has the best strength with a massive amount. Whether it's the army, until the defense equipment. Even this power is still supported by financials that are so crazy. Okay guys, before we continue this interesting discussion, please subscribe first to the Mr. Oking Military Room channel, and don't forget to activate the bell so that you will be the first person to get the next video from me. Russia has quite a large number of troops. Talking about the number of troops, Russia is arguably the country with the most active soldiers. According to data compiled by Global Firepower, to date they have at least 766,000 troops. This number may not be the most, but it is still in the top 4 in the world after India, America and China. The number of Russian troops is indeed not as much as the US or China. However, don't ask about quality. Of these, the average is a member of elite forces, including the famous Spetsnaz. By considering the quantity and quality, it can be said that this Russian army is the best. Russia is the best land defense equipment owner. Regarding the army, Russia is indeed outnumbered by several countries, but it is different if the realm is the defense equipment, especially the land. Yes, this country is the owner of the best and most powerful land forces in the world. This can be seen from the collection of land toys that make the amount of his shape. For example, tanks, Russia currently has around 15,398 units. This number is the most in the world. Even the American champion only has 8,800 pieces. Not only has a large number of tanks, Russia still has several other collections, namely 31,298 armored fighting vehicles and around 3,793 missile launching cars. Really crazy. Russian air power like a monster. Russia is not only known as the country with the best land strength, but also the most capable aerospace toughness. This is evidenced by the large number of their air defense equipment collections, which are really many. For example, is a fighter plane, they have around 751 units, while for Russian attackers have 1,438 units. Not only that, Russia also has nearly 500 combat helicopters and thousands of other types of aircraft. Actually, when it comes to numbers, it is not a problem for Russia at all, because, as you know, they can always make their own planes. Want to add a few hundred is just a matter of time, if you feel you need it. Russia will do it. Russia's sea power is deadly. Speaking of sea power, Russia is also certainly very scary. This can be seen again from the large number of their navy fleets. According to Global Firepower, Russia has quite a number of warships in various types. For example, 81 corvette units, 15 destroyers, and 4 frigates. Don't forget, they also have 1 giant aircraft carrier unit. Not ending up there, Russia also still holds about 60 units of submarines, each of which has a large destructive power. Concerning the number, again Russia is actually very able to add to its marine defense equipment, considering that they are producers. So, maybe it's just a matter of situation and condition. When they feel the need to multiply, they will do it without having to think about many things. Supported by Russia's extraordinary buying ability. Not only defense equipment and the number of troops, a country's military strength must also be seen from the strength of their money. And speaking of funds, Russia is one of the most powerful countries. It is known, Russia has budgeted about $46.6 billion for the military each year. The $46.6 billion that Russia has poured out is certainly not the only financial power they have. Under certain conditions, Russia can empower all the strength of its wealth. In a state of compulsion, Russia was able to budget around $3.5 trillion. With this much money they can realize anything. Either add a few thousand tanks or double the number of their fighter planes. Russia today may still rank second, but it is predicted that they will be champions in the next few years. The reasons are many, some of which are military capabilities, which are getting more powerful and falling in America. For that second reason, it seems like the first step has been started some time ago. Okay guys, those are some facts about Russia's military strength. If you think this video is important and useful, please share this video on your social media, so your friends know what you know. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Mr. Oking channel for those who haven't. See you in the next video.